Hello everyone, this is class 7th maths exercise 5b as we have already started question number 3. Part 1 to 5 we have done, this is part 6. Again like these questions are having the similar problems that we have already solved. So without wasting time, let's start. Minus 4x and minus 5x square. Here you can see beta, the power is only on x, not on whole power. So what we will do? Firstly multiply the signs and coefficients. Minus and minus, when they will multiply to each other, minus minus will be plus, and or you can write minus 4 multiply minus 5. You can write in this manner also. Now see, base is same and both are in multiplication. What we will do? We will add the powers. That can be written x 1 plus 2 as we have done beta. So like those who haven't seen the previous video, kindly see that video first, then you will understand. Minus minus plus 5 4s are 20. X raised power 3 is the answer. So next question, same as we have done. Firstly what we will do? We will just multiply the coefficients. It doesn't have anything, then we will write 1. We will multiply the numeral coefficients. So 5 multiply 2 multiply 1. Now see a. Base is same, add the powers because all are in multiplication. 2, it doesn't have any power, it means it is having power 1. And then for the b, doesn't have any power, it means power 1. 5 2s are 10. 3 plus 3 6. 2 plus 2 4. So this is answer. Next question number 8. See beta, don't get afraid for by seeing these kind of powers, that powers are very different. It's nothing, just we have to apply the same funda. If base is same and are in multiplication, then we will add the powers. Write the base ones, add the powers. This is one power, this is second power, so we will add it. Put the positive sign. So 2a and 2a will add to each other. Both are positive terms, like terms. बिकॉज एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना बेटा, यहाँ पे इवन वी हैव डन द सेम इन द क्लास 6 चैप्टर नंबर 19 अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस. बट फिर से रिमाइंड करवा रही हूँ, अगर किसी के साथ ए है ना, सो ए वाली टर्म में ही ऐड होगी, उसी में से सब्ट्रैक्ट होगी. इनको लाइक टर्म्स बोलते हैं, ठीक है. किसी के साथ लिटरल कॉफिशेंट लगा ना, लिटरल कॉफिशेंट होता है एक्स वाई जेड ए बी सी, राइट. कोई भी इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट लगा है, दैट मीन्स दैट इज़ अ लिटरल कॉफिशेंट. और if I have terms like this, so this term will be added to this one, not in this even though it contain x, but it contain y also, so both are not the like terms. So answer will be 4 plus 2 is 6x plus 2xy plus 2y, right. Even this term cannot be added to this one also. It will be added to only the term that contains x, y both. So this was just for understanding. Now 2a plus 2a will be 4a. This is a positive term, this is a negative term. As I always told, which is the stronger team? 8. So when both the teams will fight, this will win, and the sign of the winner team will come here, that is 1. This is your answer. Question number 9. So this question is bit different. How it's different? Because it contains power with negative sign. But nothing to worry, it's very easy. Apply the same funda. If base is same, add the powers. Write the base ones, y plus 2. We have to add the powers, so put the positive sign because we are going to add. What we are going to add? This power. This is minus 4. As I will not write two signs together, that's why I am putting the bracket here. Bracket means multiplication, so plus minus will multiply to each other, plus minus minus 4. Out of these two, which is stronger one? This. So in the fight, this negative term will win. So we will get this answer. Last question of this part we are going to do, as it contain many parts, but question number 1 to part number 1 to 10 is in our syllabus. So this is the last part. Base is same, write the base once, add the powers. Plus minus, minus a, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 minus 1, because this is negative ना, so it will not add up, so it will be 6a. सी बेटा इस चीज़ के लिए नेगेटिव टर्म को के लिए आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें और भी सिखाई जा सकती हैं, ठीक है, बट आई डोंट वांट टू मेक यू कंफ्यूज, राइट, दैट्स वाई मैंने सीधा फंडा आपको बताया कि इनको ऐड करो, दैट्स इट. इसकी पावर माइनस है, इट्स ओके. ऐड हमारा फॉर्मूला है कि ऐड करना है, ऐड जो प्लस का साइन डाला है इट्स एज पर द फॉर्मूला, बट व्हाट टू ऐड, जो उसकी पावर है, उसकी पावर है माइनस ए, सो माइनस ए विल रिमेन, माइनस विल रिमेन विद द टर्म, right? So these kind of things can make mistakes in the question, but kindly take care of these things. So that's all about. Thank you.